Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you want to add a little fun to your little one's wardrobe, I would definitely check out these awesome robot socks from Cotton Day. I got these socks for my 6-year-old son, and he just loves them because what little boy doesn't love robots? These socks are awesome because they're cute, they're colorful, they have really bold colors, but they also feel really nice too. You can tell just by the touch of them how well made they are. They're nice and thick, but also very breathable too. I love that these socks have a distinguished toe and heel, and as well as the cuff around the leg. I just think that it adds a fun touch to each separate set of socks. Now this set comes in 5. My son loves the ones that especially have the robots on them. What I really like about them is he can wear them when he is dressing up, or he can just wear them in his everyday clothes. They are so cute and just so versatile. The quality of these socks are next to none. We have gone through many socks in his 6 years, and these ones are very durable and they feel really nice and soft too. When choosing a size, I looked right at the size chart and based it upon my son's shoe size. Now he was even at the lower end of one of the sizing charts, and these still fit him perfectly with room to grow. So if you're looking for a nice quality but super fun set of socks, I would definitely check these ones out from Cotton Day. But that's just my point of view.